All right, folks, today I'm here with I believe 2001 Nissan Sentra, and this is going to be what we call a mechanic special. It's kind of a vehicle that, has some issues that need to be addressed, but however, we think we'll price it at a point where, you can buy it, you fix what you need to fix what you want to fix, and kind of take it from there. All right, so let's first things first, start it up. Alright, so as you can see here, the vehicle actually is a pretty good running car. I've had it out on the road and never had any issues with the motor, the brakes, anything like that, transmission. So again, 2001 Nissan Sentra, and let's get a close-up here of our mileage. 186,477 miles. I'm just going to go real quick through this, guys. I know the AC doesn't work, it does blow, so it could need a charge, it could need a compressor. That's kind of the point of a vehicle like this, all right? So we got an aftermarket stereo. It does have power options, power windows, power moonroof, but basically what we're going to focus on is the actual motor and condition of the exterior, that kind of stuff. All right, so first things first, let's check out the motor. 4-cylinder motor. I'm just going to apply and let you guys have a poke around with the engine. Alright, so as you see, sounds like it's running pretty good, right? It's a good runner. Like I said, I have driven this thing. So some of the issues that will need to be addressed with it is basically suspension stuff. It doesn't pull right or left, but it is very kind of clunky, kind of squeaky underneath. So it's something, like I said, that's something that's what the issue is with the vehicle. Obviously, you can see cosmetically it's not great, but I do think it has a decent enough running motor that it's worth putting the time in to just to put it up online to see, someone who can kind of do it, take care of its issues in a weekend and get a decent kind of in-town beater. All right, so you see basically the paint shot on every panel. See dents and whatnot. Let me show you, just so we're clear here. Obviously, it's got some damage here on the door, but it does open. Sometimes it's a little sticky, but it does open. No problem there. Lock does work. You see, it does have alloy wheels, but they've probably seen better days as well. Alright, so that's kind of it, guys. What we're going to do now is hop in, and I'm just going to show you that it does go into gear. We're just going to kind of take it up and down the parking lot here. And like I said, I have driven this on the road. And have had it, up to about, I don't know, 55 miles an hour. There's this local highway right here in front of us. State road is 50-mile-an-hour speed limit, so definitely had it up to that. So like I said, I put it in drive, no problem. Alright, and this car has been sitting a while, so there's probably a little rust on the brake pads. Let's pop it in reverse, goes right in. And again, into drive. Alright, so as you can see, something that, like I said, with a good enough running motor, worth listing it as a mechanic special. Thanks for checking out this video, guys, and we hope to hear from you.